5.7 trillion Shiba Inu. So that's what we're going to talk about, guys. In the video, Shiba Inu coin news for you. As you guys know, it's always a great place to stop by right here. I cover everything in the cryptocurrency market every single day. We go live Monday through Friday. Here on the weekends, though, we're still making videos, still keeping up on the news, and we definitely have some things to share with you guys in this video related to some large things that are happening within the SHIB ecosystem. And ever since we bottomed out, we dialed back into that 12 range. We have been seeing the price slowly but surely tick up as we get closer and closer seemingly to an Ethereum ETF. So is this curling up on the chart that we see right now the start of a big run? Again, we dialed back down in here to like the low 13 range, even into the high 12s. And this is the daily time frame. We did see a nice bounce here the last, 8 or 9 days since July 5th. We have seen slowly but surely the SHIB price tick back up. Year to date, we're still up 66%. And we're back in the neutral range when we look at the technicals. Moving averages still showing a sell unless we look into the 10 or 20 day, which are starting to flip. And here's the thing we're looking at, though. We're getting really close to flipping on the 30-day. We're basically right there at the 30-day moving average. And then the 50-day wouldn't take much for us to get back up there into the twos. And then you can see here, the 200-day is actually right here, right at the precipice here. We're knocking on the door. If we get to that 1950 range, that's a really big thing to watch because that 200-day moving average is probably the most important because it's that more macro outlook, right? Now, I mentioned there are some big things happening, and if these things continue to happen, we should be able to push up against that 200-day moving average and potentially break back through it, and we could be getting ready for a potential big burst. Last time we saw the big burst in March, you can see kind of what happened. We trailed up from the lower 5069 range back in October of 2023 and popped up here in December all the way up to about the 11, 12 range, came back down for a while, actually broke the zero again, and we were on a pretty big downtrend when we got that burst, and we're hoping that an Ethereum ETF could really unlock the market here, and especially ERC20 tokens, and SHIB being the largest of all of them could see some really big momentum. Now, you saw in the title, 5.7 trillion Shiba Inu in 24 hours. This article just came out early this morning. So what's happening? What's going on here? Well, here's what we saw happen, guys. We saw a big surge in the last 24 hours of large transactions. And one of the things we always stress is following the big money. And in crypto, we call them whales, right? Whale activity is very important to watch out for. And this volume that we're seeing is definitely a direct sign of a growing number of whales in the market that are interested in SHIB at this price. A lot of people believe we could see an Ethereum ETF go live this week. Now, the most likely outcome here would be a growth of volatility of the asset. Considering the bullish state of the market, the likeliness of uptrend increases, right? Data from Into the Block indicates that as we saw Shiba Inu's massive transaction volume surge after we bottomed out on the 5th, indicated that large holders have been very much more active recently once we dialed back. And we could see that obviously on the chart here. This little move right here has been mostly created by whales. And right here, you can see here, the asset is pushing up against some crucial moving averages, as we kind of mentioned. A bullish trend could be confirmed, and SHIB could move toward higher targets if a successful breach occurs above these moving average levels. The RSI, which is currently at 49, indicates a neutral position with possible room for additional movement. So we're not overbought, we're not oversold right now, but we're in a good spot for some type of volatility spike. And seeing this trading volume pick up is giving us confidence, right? SHIB would benefit from the general state of the market. And as I mentioned, SHIB should definitely benefit from Ethereum ETFs if we believe they're going to go live here soon, which they should, right? And right now, I think that is one of the bullish, sentiments around altcoins right now is the Ethereum ETF. So the fact that we're seeing this activity pick up and most of it's being driven by large transactions and whales is a good sign that we could be getting ready for a potential breakout on the price of Shiba Inu, especially around what we know about the Ethereum ETF. So tuck this one away. We'll see if we can get up and moving this week. If we get Ethereum ETFs, get ready because I think SHIB could make a push and a run. Keep in mind in March, we got all the way up to the 4s. As you can see out there on the big spike, it'd be great to go back up there and test those local highs. And then just 2 hours ago, this came out as well about, the moving averages and kind of what we're looking at. Traders typically use the 50 and 200-day SMAs to gauge market trends. And this golden cross is a bullish pattern when the 50-day SMA crosses over the 200-day, signaling a potential upswing. And we're looking at that as a potential thing that could happen as SHIB approaches this critical juncture right now, golden cross or death cross. The daily SMA 50 and 200-day will be closely watched here throughout this week. And all eyes are on the price to judge the next direction here. A death cross formation could usher in the bottoming phase for SHIB. A golden cross could provide a nice fresh bullish trend to the upside where we reclaim that 200-day moving average and really unlock the price potential there for SHIB in the short term. So that's what we're looking at right now, guys. I appreciate you for watching this video. If you would, go ahead and check out Margex if you're interested in trading on leverage. I got my links down below. And then also, if you're looking for a trading indicator, if you're looking for the next time SHIB does paint that momentum up or looks like it's going to break out, XT Algo can be a great tool for you. Many people have been using this since I brought it to market 11 months ago last year. If you're interested in checking it out, XT Algo will give you simple visual indicators to help your trading easier and simpler. It'll show you price impact. You could use this for any market, crypto, stocks, Forex. The nice thing is you could set up your own customized alerts as well. And this is all done on your phone. I walk you through how to do this and basically overlay our trading indicator with TradingView. And I do have a TradingView referral as well for you on the back end if you do decide to pick up the indicator. So links are down below for that. I appreciate you guys for watching. Let me know your guys' thoughts on price action right now, where the market is. Curious to hear from you guys down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.